So right now I'm going to demonstrate how to do an inward facing front carry with a buckle carrier using the t-shirt trick. I am going to buckle the chest clip and loosen the straps all the way on both sides. And I'm going to pick up my baby. Hi buddy. Hold him with one hand and bring the panel up of the carrier. And then bring this buckled chest clip up over both of us. And slip my arms through the straps. And keeping one hand on him at all times, I'm going to reach behind me and tighten the webbing. And I'll lift him up as I tighten on both sides. So he is in safely. He is in a carrier that fits him, supports him, is tight enough. He is close enough to kiss and in view with his chin off of his chest and a supported back. So that's how we get him in safely. And to get him out of this carrier, I'm going to do everything in reverse. I'm going to lift on his weight and loosen the side straps. Keeping my hands on him at all times. I'm going to reach behind me and pull up and reach the chest clip with one hand, supporting him with the other, and remove one strap at a time, switching hands. Let the carrier fall forward, move panel, take him down.